So basically, you come to this spreadsheet that I will have shared with you on Google Sheets. It has several columns with different labels. So this column contains the registration number. You will copy the registration number and come to this companieshouse.gov.uk and paste the number here. The company will come up. You will open that company link, copy the link to the company's house, paste it here. At the very top, you'll see all the different labels. So that one is company's house. And then you will, once you've copied that, then you will come and click on people and persons with significant control, because I'm interested in the shareholders. And it has two people. So what you're going to do is create another row. Okay, here I've already created another row, but you create another row beneath the company you're currently working on, so that you have two rows for the same company. And then copy the names of the directors. And the second director. Next, look at the address. It says 3 Main Street, which is what I have. So that's a service address or a registered address for the business, but I'm interested in the home address. So what you're going to do is come filing history, look at the incorporation documents. So even the incorporation documents have the same address, which is a service address. So for that, you're just going to retain the same service address. So what you're going to do, these names, excuse me, you'll copy this and you move it to where So what basically I've done, I've copied this service address to the same link, and what you'll see, what I was doing, just so that you have clarity, is I will want the name of the shareholders broken into the title, and then the first name, and then the surname, and then the address will be broken into 5 different cells. So basically that's what I've done. The other address had already been broken down into that. If it is not, you're going to type it in or copy paste it in if the document that you find it can be copy and pasted. So you just copy and paste the address and spread it along to the at most 5 cells, shouldn't go beyond that. And then you skip a row, and in this one, this is address type. So if the address is a home address, you can leave that blank. But when you use the same service address or the registered address of the business, which you will see on this incorporation document, then you will indicate service address. Another thing is, for example, if the incorporation document doesn't have the right information, you can check officers. That can also give you some clue as to where to get the home addresses. So for example, director's details changed, so that one may not really give us any information. You check annual returns from the date of inception, and you just check and see if you can find any information on the shareholders, like their home addresses. So the same address is still being maintained, so that's the address you use. In some instances, you'll find a company that maybe has another company as the shareholder, in which case you're going to look for the directors of the new company, and then you're going to insert a comment and say that that company is held by the new company, and then when it comes to the shareholders, you're going to put in the shareholders of the new company. I hope that's clear. I think this is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of copy pasting. So let me know if you have any queries or anything else. If you run into any small issues, you can just let me know and I can clarify what to do next. Okay.